Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shumuriel and it's time to get ready to go to work. It's 7:49 a.m. I don't recall how long this look takes, but let's get ready together and find out. First, I need to wipe my hands down with some wet ones. I'd already washed my hands, but I'd still been touching stuff and I wasn't about to wash them again. So this is me just wiping my hands down. I'm using some of the Bobbi Brown. I cannot recall the name of this off the top of my head, but I will put the items used in the bottom box. I put this product, it's a moisturizer and a primer in one, and I put it under my eyes to ensure that there is no creasing when it comes time for under eye concealer. So we got that together. Now we're priming the face with one size. So we get a good little amount of that. We rub it between the fingers to warm up the product. We put it on the face and we wait for 1 minute as per the instructions. All right, now it's time for foundation. We're using the Makeup by Mario, the newish foundation that they have. Can I recall my shade at the time of recording? Of course not, but guess where it'll be? In the bottom box, that's right. So we put it on the back of the hand, put it on the face as you saw, and we're using dabbing motions and blending it into the skin. At first I was a little scared because I thought it looked a little orange, but it comes out pretty good, I think. So we do that, and now I'm looking for, concealer. This is the, what is this called? Too Faced concealer. I know for a fact that is the shade Honey, and then the shade I'm using right there, don't know the name, but we gonna get it together. Point is, I use both Too Faced concealers for under eye concealer, and then I use a dry beauty blender to blend that into my under eye and on my lid as well. Now we are using one of my favorite setting powders, the Dermablend setting powder, to set the under eye. I tap off the excess on the back of my hand, do one last blend, look up and blend, or tap some more product there and just set my face. Dabbing it on the back of your hand like that allows you to evenly distribute the product on the puff and then onto your face. So as you can see, I'm just setting it in areas where I tend to get shiny, and this is the final look with that. Oh, I must not have recorded me sweeping away the product. I know I used the Fenty pressed powder for that, and must not have been recording when I thought I was, child. So anyway, now we're doing brows. We're using the Benefit brow pencil to accomplish this. I love how the tip of the pencil is fine, and it just makes for a seamless, easy looking brow. And then I use some of their brow gel to just lock those brows in place so they'll last me all day. Now I'm taking a Natasha Denona palette and using whatever shade I showed you and just sweeping that across my lid, back and forth, windshield wiper motions, and then down onto my lid, just keeping it real simple because ain't nobody got time for using multiple eyeshadows because we got somewhere we gotta be. The job. So yeah, just going back and forth and onto the lid. I've been loving brown eyeliner. Blink, girl. Yeah, keep them eyes straight. I've been loving brown eyeliner as opposed to black lately. I'll do a black eyeliner, but this look is brown, and the pencil is from Sephora. And there we go with that. And now, this is something else I've been doing lately. Taking some Bobbi Brown, a shadow stick, and just putting that on my lower lash line. Just giving it a little pop, a little glow, just a little zhuzh, a little something. Then I'm just using a very small brush to blend that out just a bit. All right, girl, you almost done. It is time for mascara. These are both by L'Oreal. I'll put them in the bottom box, and we're just doing top and bottom lashes, as you can see. Now it's time for lips. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Hot Chocolate. Very beautiful shade, very natural, but you know, it still gives a little something. Super pretty. And it's 8:12 and I'm all done. It's practically the end of the day. It's 4:54. This is what the skin is looking like. No blotting throughout the day. Coverage is good. I think we got one. I'm looking in the viewfinder, but you probably know that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.